Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time, and today we are here at Epcot, and it's my birthday! So we're going to walk around France, because that is my dream, is to go to Paris one day. So we're gonna walk around the France Pavilion, see what they have, get something to eat, and spend the evening here at Epcot. So join us, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos. We were able to get a walk-up reservation at Chef de France, so now we're already at our table and eating our bread. Is it good? You like it, Nadia? All right, our food came. Elena got this grilled chicken on top of mashed potatoes. It looks so good, and that's a really big portion. Nadia and I are gonna split the, oh my goodness, that is a hot plate. He did tell me it was hot. But this is the mac and cheese, so she and I are going to share that. And Brandon got a kids meal as well. So this is the salmon. So he got mashed potatoes, it looks like some gravy, and there's salmon. It looks so good, and we're hungry. I haven't ate anything all day because I was so excited to come here. But we are here now, so let's start eating. They just came out and sang happy birthday to me in French. It was so wonderful. And they got me a little tiny brownie. It's so cute. They sang to me. Yeah. And drink. I got a little candle. No. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Yes. Oh my goodness, yes. Let's try this. All right, let's take the candle out though. Are we?
How many of them were here singing?
Like 5 or 6. Wasn't there? How many people were singing?
6.
Yeah, there were like 6 people that came and sang. Oh, that is good. Yeah.
Brownie?
Yeah, it's like some kind of brownie cake, and then this is like some kind of chocolate mousse with like a chocolate square on top. It's very good. I'm telling you, this is going to be it. This is going to be a good year. The last year of my 30s. I'm 39 today. So, I'm going to make this year count. Made it back to Ratatouille. It looks like a very long wait right now. How long is it?
60.
60. We left the France Pavilion, and now we're just walking around the showcase. Right now we're hopped in Japan, so we're just looking around the store here in Japan and seeing the different things that they have around here. All right, the kids found these, and they're really cute. So they're Popin Cooking, $6.99, and I guess they're little candies, but like you make them yourself, and so you put them in the little molds and stir them around and let them harden, and then you can put them together, and then you have your little candy bento box or donuts or ramen. That's so cute. You can make your own little sushi, and it's little candy. That's cute. All right, Nadia is going to go ahead and make what she bought in the Japan Pavilion at Epcot, which is this Popin Cooking Tenoshi Bento Box. All right, so the first thing you're going to make is the broccoli. So what color is broccoli?
Green.
All right, so we need to fill this with water and then add the green packet. All right, put the packet in there.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
It smells good now.
Stir it up. All right, when that's done, we'll go on to the next one because it takes about 3 minutes to become hard. Make the egg roll. So now you need the yellow packet.
Got it.
Some of the water. And then the yellow packet. Cut it open.
I smell like it's swimming.
All right, next up is the sausage. So it's the red.
Can I put this right here?
And it's gonna be this one right here. So it's gonna look like a little dude. And then we stir it up. Next, we are going to make the rice ball, the onigiri. So, the rice ball. So we need the blue packet.
Big. What is this going to be?
The panda.
No, because, oh, the panda.
This is the hard part, trying to get it really back into those little holes. Like you have to put it in the little holes. So now I think we didn't have to do this. I think we just take this and smush it to like stamp the face.
Now we need to wait for a little while. Why it's doing that?
I don't think so. Okay, lift it up. Now pick it up.
Yeah.
Slowly. Panda didn't really turn out. Our bear is kind of, well, he's a bear. All right, the bento box is done. We have our noodles, we have our egg roll, our sausage, our panda, chicken nuggets, broccoli, and some more rice. This looks so amazing, Nadia. You want to go ahead and taste it?
Yeah, I want to taste the egg. Tastes like lemon.
Yeah? 40 minutes for frozen. I could have sworn I just looked at the app and it said 65 or even 75 minutes. But it said 40. I'll read it.
This is really short.
I haven't ridden this in a long time. Big summer boat. Yeah, this is not 40 minutes. This is gonna be like a 5-10 minute wait. Yay!
They walk through the lightning lane and they're getting the noodles.
Ooh. Just got off the Frozen ride. It was only like a 5-minute wait. It was so much fun. Turn around, guys. We had a really great time here at Epcot for my 39th birthday with our family. We had a fantastic time just walking around World Showcase at Epcot. Thank you so much for watching. And now it's your family time.